Come test drive the 2016
Lincoln MKS.
with standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade. The Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting. Come take a test drive today.
With Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln certified vehicle can offer you.